Throw his machete down casually. Throw his axe down casually.
Okay.
Any other
You
knives?
have to narrate my every move. Okay. We're gonna use
That's sort of my job right now.
And we're gonna. It says to do just 5 quick sips. Real men don't do 5 quick sips. So we're just gonna. You know? Okay. So let's see. Follow me, kids. You stay on that end of the creek because I don't trust you. You probably have tons of weapons with you or something. Okay.
That would be such a weird thing to have.
Okay. You guys ready? Okay. Okay, put it in there.
He's gonna drink.
I didn't read the instructions.
He's gonna die.
I think you're supposed to leave it for 10 seconds.
Maybe you should like suck on it for 10 seconds. Slightly suck. Give it a gentle suck. How much did you get? Does it taste horrible? How horrible does it taste?
Oh my god.
Does it taste like river
That
water?
is the best water I've ever had. That's actually not bad.
Oh my god,
Oh
I
my
need
God.
to try it. I need to try
Okay,
it. Film
let's see Dax try this.
Gotta clean off the thing because Owen's probably diseased. The water might have cleaned it though, so I trusted it. I trusted the tube thingy.
Okay, you got this.
Ah, it's so low.
You're not gonna taste anything at first.
Oh my god. It hardly tastes like river at all.
How do you know what river tastes like?
Cause like I go swimming in the river.
Oh.
It tastes pretty much 100% clean. Wait, okay. Film what it looks like. How clear is it? It's like perfectly clear. Yeah, it's perfectly clear.
Well, now I'm gonna throw up. Bye.